Here's how to connect Yamaha keyboard to FL Studio Mobile. The first thing that you're going to do is at the back of your Yamaha keyboard, make sure that you have this port and this port. Let's make sure that the USB tap that we are going to insert will relocate there. Now for the USB 8, this is what you're going to insert for the port on the right side or on the left side. And then for the USB B, is this the port that you will enter at the right side. And then the second option is for you to be able this kind of device wherein you can go ahead and connect your Yamaha keyboard to FL Studio Mobile itself. Now what you need to do is on this USB port, you have to enter the port of the USB cord that you're going to use. And then from the USB of the cell phone, you should go ahead and connect it. So that's basically how you connect your Yamaha keyboard to your FL Studio Mobile. It is very easy, just have these cords.